How to create a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Reader. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Reader. First, open the PDF document you want to sign in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once the document is open, click on All Tools from the left side. Then, click on View More to expand the available tools. From the expanded list, select Use a Certificate. Now, select Digitally Sign. Adobe will show you information about using a digital ID. Click OK to continue. Next, click and drag over the area of the PDF where you want your digital signature to appear. A Sign with a Digital ID window will now appear. If you already have a digital ID, select it and continue. If you're creating one for the first time, select Configure New Digital ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your digital ID and set a password. Once your digital ID is ready, select it and click Continue. You'll now see a preview of your digital signature. Review the details and choose how you want the signature to appear. When everything looks correct, enter your digital ID password and click Sign. Adobe will then ask you to save the PDF signed. Choose where you want to save the file and click Save. Your digital signature will now be added to the PDF. You can also check the signature panel to confirm that the document has been successfully signed. And that's how you can create and add a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.